What's up, everybody? I need, got wet shower hair. I need somebody that can do some Photoshop type work, or if you're experienced quite a bit in Microsoft Paint, like I am, and if you can fix some of these glitches. I have this truck here, this picture of a truck, trailer, and some outlines of cars, and I kind of played with it for a while. I thought it'd be a cool design for some clothing that we could eventually have as part of carhollandlife.org. So if you can help me out in fixing some of the issues here, like the proportion sizes and the have the decks so you can move them and actually stack 7 cars in there, and maybe you could design a whole new image that it could look like and send it to me, and I could pay for it. I could also give you some stock in TCH, the Car Holla company. If you could make a design like that, I could even give you an Autobox pillow so you could hug the Autobox truck and your wife at the same time you're sleeping with her. So let me know if you can help me out. Message me on the Instagram, search the Car Holler, or the Facebook link in the description below. Have a good day. Oh, and also some of the modeling shows that we go to, it has so much music that's copyrighted, and YouTube is showing me it won't even let me publish the video. I don't know why. Never seen that on the buttons. If some of you are better at YouTube than me and can help me figure out these issues, we just can't tell the people, hey, turn the music off at like a show, and it's just mind-blowing show. And I'm backstage with the models and Dasha, and front stage and everywhere, and I vlog it for you guys, and some of you asking about those videos, and if you could help me figure out the YouTube rules so we could make it happen, I'll make more of those videos for as we go to more shows, and each time there's plenty of beautiful, talented, single model ladies that are happy to meet car haulers such as you. So we always get their information, their Instagram, maybe do a future collaboration. But it'd be nice if you could at least see part of the show, because it's kind of cool.